Are you struggling with permissions or settings while using FocuSee on your Mac? Whether it's granting permissions on macOS 10.14 and above computers or setting up custom keyboard shortcuts, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to resolve these issues quickly and easily. Let's dive into the permissions and settings guide to ensure your FocuSee experience is seamless and efficient. Part 1. Grant permission. Please launch FocuSee on your computer. Upon initial launch on Mac computers, the app will request permission to access the screen, camera, microphone, and driver's installation for recording capabilities. If you have unauthorized permissions for your microphone, camera, etc., you will get a pop-up to grant permissions when you click any of the icons or features. Let's take camera permission granting as an example. Please click Enable button to continue the process. Then, it will open your Mac computer system settings, privacy and security settings, camera to complete the camera permission authorization. After authorization, please restart FocuSee to ensure that the permission authorization is successful. Part 2. Shortcut keys settings. Please launch FocuSee on your computer. Then, please click gear icon and choose the settings option. Then, you will see the settings interface, including general settings and shortcut keys settings. In shortcut keys settings, these can be used during screen recording and video editing phrases. You can customize the shortcut keys with cross icons when you need to avoid conflicts with the default shortcuts on your computer. For general settings, you can choose whether or not you want FocuSee to start automatically on power-up. Under General Settings, you can complete the Rec shortcut keys settings. Full Screen, record your entire computer screen. Custom, select a specific area on your screen to record. Window, choose a window to record. Pause, continue recording, pause or continue your screen recording. Finish recording, stop your screen recording when you finish recording. As you keep scrolling down the settings page, you will come across the screen editing shortcuts key settings page. Clip, cut your video into specific segments, which can be trimmed, manipulated, and arranged within the editing timeline. Crop, adjust the frame boundaries to eliminate unwanted areas or to emphasize a specific subject or element within the video. Add zoom, apply a zoom-in effect to a specific portion of a video clip, magnifying the scale of the selected area. New recording, initiate a new screen recording. Once finishing all settings, you can click cross button to enjoy the FocuSee. Thanks for your watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.